How to solve nonlinear PDE, first order PDE using Charpit method. Take one problem, P plus Q into Px plus Qy is equal to 1. Here P plus Q into Px plus Qy minus 1 is equal to 0. So that it becomes f of xyz pq is equal to 0. It is a nonlinear first order PDE because the partial derivative are of first order, and because product term are there, if we multiply this we get p square x plus q square y plus pqx plus pqy minus 1 is equal to 0. There are product term of p and q, so it is a nonlinear first order PDE. Hence we apply the Charpit's method. To find the Charpit's auxiliary equation, we need to find del f by del p, derivative of f with respect to p. This much, 2px plus qx plus qy, del f by del q. Okay, derivative of f with respect to q, 2qy plus px plus py, del f by del x, p square plus pq, del f by del y, q square plus pq, del f by del z is 0 because no z is present here. So del f by del z is 0. Now the Charpit's auxiliary equation are dx by del f by del p, dy by del f by del q is equal to dz by p into del f by del p plus q into del f by del q is equal to minus dp by p square plus pq is equal to minus dp by del f by del x plus p into del f by del z is equal to minus dq by del f by del y plus q into del f by del z. So this we have obtained auxiliary equation using this result. So from the last two ratio, dp by p into p plus q is equal to dq by q into p plus q. This can be written as p into p plus q, it is q into p plus q. So p plus q can be cancelled from both sides. Hence it becomes dp by p is equal to dq by q. On integration it gives ln p is equal to ln q plus ln c. Again, taking exponential both sides, we get p by q is equal to a, or q is equal to ap. This is one relation we obtain. Using this result in the equation dz is equal to p dx plus q dy, we can write dz is equal to p dx plus ap dy because q is equal to ap. So which become p into d of x plus ay. Look here, p into derivative of x plus ay is dx plus a dy. Now put x plus ay is equal to x, another variable, capital X. Take x plus ay is equal to x, so that dz by dx, dz derivative of z with respect to capital X, can be written as dz by dx into dx by dx. This you know. So dz by dx is p, and what is dx by dx? It is 1 by dx by dx, that is derivative of x with respect to x, which is 1. So it is 1 by 1, that is 1. Derivative of x with respect to x is 1. Derivative of x with respect to y is a. So we use that. Now again dz by dx can be written as dz by dy into dy by dx. dz by dy is q, and what is dy by dx? That is derivative of x with respect to y, reciprocal of derivative of x with respect to y, which is 1 by a. Derivative of x with respect to y is a, and its reciprocal is 1 by a, so it is q by a. So what we get is p is equal to dz by dx and q is equal to a dz by dx. P is equal to dz by dx and q is equal to a dz by dx. Hence the given equation can be written as p plus q, dz by dx plus a dz by dx. into dz by dx x ax plus px plus qy. dz by dx x plus a dz by dx y is equal to 1. This is the given equation in terms of the new variable x. Now dz by dx we can take common from the first factor and from the second factor. So it is dz by dx whole square into 1 plus a into x plus ay. 1 plus a x plus ay. What is x plus ay? It is capital X. So it becomes dz by dx whole square is equal to 1 by 1 plus a capital X. So dz by dx is equal to 1 by x to the power half root over 1 plus a, or root over 1 plus a dz is equal to x to the power minus half dx. This can be written this way. Now it is integrable, which on integration gives root over 1 plus a z is equal to x to the power minus half plus 1 minus half plus 1 plus b, some arbitrary constant of integration, is 2 into x to the power half plus b. So root over 1 plus a z is equal to 2 into, in place of x we again write x plus ay to the power half plus b. So this is the complete integral of the given equation. So using Chaput method, this way we can solve the non-linear first order PDE.